Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
As per the lady's version, she said that 2.5 years back, she was called, she gives the names which I told, where repeated interruptions were there. 4 names I took. Video, audio and photo were taken. She has not named any minister.
Video and photo was
Solo. Yes, solo. The lady has expressed an apprehension that after 2.5 years of my not meeting with these people, 2.5 वर्ष भेटले नहीं आलेले, there is some morphing, so investigation should take place. This is second.
I am satisfied with this, Your Honor.
Yes.
My question number 2, Mr. Dilkar, according to you, sent that extortion message to whom?
He sent a message to a colleague of the lady whom she knew, and she has not named him in the complaint, said that this is received, there is a fear, so I will give his name. She has given the number also to the police.
That means Mr. Dilkar wanted to extort that
Money from her on the basis of some video after around two years and
She
few
is
months.
poor, that fellow also know, because he had only given...
He was not extorting from the lady. He was extorting, listen. Third person by telling that
Who is that third person?
that third person, in that one Nayak, she has given name.
And why?
Damodar Nayak, the name is given here. Dayanand Nayak.
ही जे सेक्स स्कॅन्डलाचे काढला ते आमचो जेन्ना प्रेजिडेंट उलयता प्रेजिडेंट आमचो प्रुफा शिवाय केन्नाच उलयना आनी त्या दिसा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतल्या ते हांवूय आसलो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स तेणी दाखयले ताका लिगल नोटीस खंयच्यान येयल्या मुंबयच्या हितून येयल्या म्हणजे हेचो अर्थ कितें जाता तेणी नांवूय सांगूं ना तेणी हें सांगूं ना पण ताका नोटीस येता मुंबयच्या जे प्रकरण हांगाच्यान आसा आतां तेंच्यांनी बिहाराच्यान कोणा कडल्यान तरी केलें तेचेर म्हाका करपाचें ना इन्वेस्टिगेशन तेंच्यांनी चालू करची पण आमचे जे प्रेजिडेंट केन्ना उलयता आमचे जे पार्टीचे हे उलयतात ते तितून कितें तरी सत्य आसा.